Let's start. The project name is Rating Bar. Let's see the project structure. Here we have a main activity. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the layout of main activity. Let's see the UI. Here we have a rating bar. Let's see the code. So, we have constraint layout as the root layout. And this is the rating bar. Let's see the Java code. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, we set the onRatingBar change listener. It has a function called onRatingChanged. When the rating of the bar is changed, the rate is shown in the toast. Let's run the app. So as you can see, when I change the rating of the bar, the same is shown in the toast. You can set half rating also. So that's it. That's how you can implement the rating bar in Java Android. Thanks for watching.